Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Anjali. Today I am going to discuss about the tool that I have developed using Python called speech to text converter. First I'll explain how it works, then I'll explain the code, libraries and validations that I have used for this. This is the output screen that you will be able to see when you run that code. This is the title. Here you can upload the audio files. Now I'll upload a sample Russian audio file. Now I'll get this screen and I'll get a button called transcribe audio. When I click on that, it will take some time. After it is done, you'll be able to see transcription completed message and transcribe text. You can see here this is the Russian text which is converted by this audio. And you will also get another option called download as text. If you click this button, you can get a text file of the same text. If you want for future use, you can download this text file. In the same way, now I'll show another example. Now we will take French audio and we will transcribe this audio. You can see here this is the limit of file size to 50 MB and these are the audio formats you can upload here. I'll explain more about these while explaining the code. Now you can see the message transcription completed and this is the French text which has been converted from the audio file that we have uploaded here, and in the same way you can download this file which displays the text. Now we'll take empty clip and when we upload that we'll get audio is too short to transcribe. It means file size is too short. It is just showing 0 seconds. So these are the validations that I've added. If we upload music audio, we'll see what we will get. You can see here no speech detected in the audio it is giving. So audio should be having clear voice without any noise. So the languages this tool supports are Japanese, Chinese, French, English, Spanish, Russian and Arabic. Audio files of these languages you can upload it here and it will transcribe that speech to text and displays here. This is how it works. Now I'll explain you the code that I have written to build this tool. These are the libraries that I've imported. Streamlit is mainly used to convert speech to text, and we have imported that as XT again, temp file to create temporary files, warnings, etc. I'll just briefly tell you the components that I've used in this code. For page configuration, this is the title and this icon I have used. You can see here and layout for centered. This is for styling. In style tag, I've written the background color, border, padding, color, fonts. To the UI designing, I've written this code FFmpeg. We have externally installed this to support our tool. In the description box, I have given the link of a blog post where I have written all the procedures, installation steps, and I have also provided the complete solution package, a zip file of this code along with the README file. You can refer that and do these installations which supports this tool. I've installed that externally and this is the validation. If the package is not working, it will show audio processing services not available right now. Please try again later. This is one of the validation that I have added. To load the model, here I have written a function. In the Whisper model, we are using small. We are available with large, medium according to our requirement and speed and capacity. I have chosen small. If Whisper is not working, then this message will be shown. This is the file upload. As you saw in the output, this will be displayed over there, upload audio file. And these are the audio file types that this tool is supporting. If user upload any file other than this, I have written a validation called audio file type validation, which shows invalid file type. Please upload valid audio file. You can see here, this is the maximum size. If the file is too large, it will show this validation, file size validation. And this is the button, transcribe audio button as you saw in the output, and while transcribing it will show please wait transcribing. Audio readability validation tells that unable to read the audio file may be corrupted. As I said, if you upload some disturbing or the file which don't contain any proper audio, in that kind of situation it will show this validation. Audio duration validation, if you upload any file which is less than 2 seconds, you will get audio is too short, as we saw in that example. When I uploaded 0-second audio, it was showing this exception. If the audio is corrupted, again you will get this message. If the audio duration is more than 20 minutes, you will get audio duration exceed 20 minutes. Kindly upload shorter video, that is within 20 minutes. This is temporary file creation with the temp file library which we have imported above. We are using that and we are creating a temporary file. Noise reduction. This block will try to avoid the unnecessary disturbance sound in the background. In this block, we have written transcription, the process of transcribing the audio. Here you can see it will take audio path, no speech threshold, compression ratio threshold, and so on. And we have written all these things in try block. In exception block, we have written fail to transcribe audio. Please upload a valid file. It will give an exception if the file is not valid. After this, we have written stop function. Non speech. If there is no speech in the audio that you have uploaded, it is just a plain audio file. It will tell no speech detected in the audio. In the same block, it will tell audio is unclear, noise, or contain music, unable to transcribe. These are the validations. When each exception occurs, these will be printed. This is transcription audio validation part, in which if the text was not generated, it will tell no transcribed text was generated. After all these exceptions, if the transcription is completed successfully, it will tell transcription completed. You saw in the output how this message has been displayed, and transcribed text will be displayed here in the text area. The text will be displayed of this height. This is text file creation part. We have created a temporary text file. You can see here using these variables, right function, and we have closed. Again, this is the download button for txt. This is the name that is displayed on the button. I hope you remember that we have created a temporary file in the starting of the code when I was explaining, and we will clean up the temporary file using os.remove audio path. Audio path contain the audio file and we are removing it. I explained each and every part of this code in a simple way. If you want to use this tool or know more about this tool, in the description box, I'll be adding the link of blog post that I've written on this topic, where you can see all the terms that I've used. I've mentioned all the steps that need to be carried out to complete this tool. With brief explanation I've written. And in that post, you can also get complete solution package of zip file which contains this code along with the readme file. And one more thing I want to add, in this file you can see server max upload size 50. If you want to change this size, if you want to upload file of 70 or 80 MB, you can change here in this file and it will be updated. I've also explained how to create this file in that blog post along with the steps. You can check out that, and you can download the zip file which contains this code and steps. Please check out that blog post and download the source code. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.